Happy Sunday, my friends. It's a nice day today here in Melbourne. Look at that, clear blue skies. Just doing a little bit of yard work. But I've been up all day, so yesterday I was working on some chipping. So I started on the back here of the Border T-34. So we've got two T-34s here, one by Miniart, one by Border. And I just started doing some chipping work on the rear there, so that's just hand painted on with my chipping formula. And of course, an easy way to make a good chipping formula. See, we put some colour onto the stuff, and I've actually painted the head of the shovel in the chipping formula. But a good chipping formula is, and you should always have it, is say get 45% Tamiya black, flat black, 45% Tamiya flat brown, and 10% Tamiya flat red. Just mix that together and you'll have a good chipping thing. But I use it for heaps of stuff now. So what I've been doing here is I've just been priming it in black, then going with my chipping solution, and then you can come along later and metallic it to your taste, I suppose. See what I mean? I've even sort of done it here. You could go a lot more metallic, you know what I mean? Just depending on what you're into. Anyway, that's what's going on. But I've been working on the Mobelwagon. So we're trying to get the crew ready. Hey, Els, where were you? You took off when I started doing the hosing. Started doing the Mobelwagon. And I've just gone mental with the chipping and rusting and all that kind of shit. You won't see it. It looks pretty mad at the moment, but I've tested it with the gun on, and you needed to do that with the gun on, sort of. It's chipping with the gun in mind. So it's absolute madness in there. With the gun on, it does look pretty good. So, because there's not a lot of room in there at all. Yeah, it goes on straight and all that, blah blah blah. But yeah, there's not a lot of room in there. And I'm so getting a crew ready. But also, so you're getting the crew ready. That's why I got this out. Because this had the crew, this set in it, and this is the Panzer I'm going to do with it. So I'm going to do a double display with the Mobelwagon here, and this one's for the final operation, the Tomb of the Panzerwaffe, the attempted relief of Hungary, Budapest, I think it was. So this will be the command wagon, and I've got heaps of troops for it, so I'll use all the troops in that came with that kit. You get all those. So I've cut this one out, and I'm going to see if he sits on the seat of the cannon. So this thing here. And I've also, this one came with the Border kit, so he will be holding, he's just, looking up in the sky with his binoculars. And he can go in the Mobelwagon. But yeah, this one's pretty hard to make. It's got thumbs on it and stuff. See, there's the hand without a thumb, and there's its little thumb there. So it's rather a bit nifty. See there, I tried to put the thumb on, but it's pretty crazy. I'll get some filler out and fix it up. So, see how we go. But it is not a bad, it's not a bad little figure for a plastic mould. The head's a bit plain, but it's good. I like it. And then when we've also got the Miniart ones, which are always really nice. With their winter uniforms. And I've got heaps of resin ones around, like these two here. So I'll be able to find some more, and we can make a nice little winter scene or something. Just everything will take time, as it always does. Hey Panzer 3. But yeah, that's what's going on at the moment. Sort of just basically focusing on these two and the Mobelwagon. Get the Panzer 4 built, I can do some things on this as I go. They're just sort of more waiting for more products and stuff to come. It'll all come together. Nothing's a rush in my mind. I just sort of wait for things and wait for inspiration, wait for whatever parts that I think I want or need. But I do like these two, and especially the Miniart one. It's really nice, really nice Panzer. I mean, not Panzer. This is a T-34. See, under, because I got this with a paint order, so yeah, we got the gunmetal on the tracks, and everything's starting to look really nice. I buffed some burnt umber oil onto the bottom. Oh, all good. Alright guys, speak to you again soon.